Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see PhD position in Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, that is IISER Tirupati. IISER Tirupati invites application from prospective candidates for admission to the PhD program August 2021. Admission is open in the discipline of biology, chemistry, physics, and associated interdisciplinary areas of research. These are the important dates for admission. In this video, we'll be focusing more on chemistry. So, the open areas for chemistry research are organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, theoretical and computational chemistry, physical and materials chemistry, chemical biology, and other chemistry aligned discipline. For more details, you can visit the following website. Let us see the eligibility criteria for chemistry. Minimum criteria is students with minimum 55% marks in aggregate or CGPA 6.0 on a 10-point scale in master's degree in any branch of science, physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, or ME, MTech, or any equivalent degree. Candidates with BE, BTech degree with minimum 60% marks in aggregate or CGPA 6.5 on a 10-point scale can also apply. Essential criteria is qualified for CSIR UGC, JRF, Inspire PhD fellowships, any other national fellowships. So let us see the application procedure. Only online applications will be accepted. Applicants can submit their forms for the chemistry discipline in the following link. General information to the applicants. The candidate must have qualified at least one of the above mentioned essential criteria in relevant discipline. The fellowships, scores, ranks must be valid at the time of joining the course. For candidates belonging to SC/ST, PWD, and KM category, the percentage of marks may be relaxed by 5% or 0.5 in the case of CGPA. Candidates in the final year of their qualifying degree are also eligible to apply. However, their final selection is subjected to their successful completion of the qualifying degree with the above mentioned requirements at the time of admission. A provisional degree certificate is mandatory at the time of admission. Late or incomplete applications will not be considered. Selection procedure. The shortlisted candidates will be called for an online interview, and final selection is based on interview performance. Applying does not automatically guarantee that a candidate will be shortlisted for interview. The respective departments may use additional criteria based on academic performance and/or performance in the national level test to shortlist candidates for interview. Reservation in admission. Reservation will be in accordance with Government of India rules. Please note, all communication with candidates will be by email only. You can regularly visit their site. In case of any application related specific queries, please contact with your application number mentioned in the subject at the following email address. Lastly, the age limit. Preferably not more than 28 years at the time of joining. Age relaxation of 3 years will be given for OBC and 5 years for SC, ST, PWD, female candidates as per GOI norms. Candidates belonging to reserve category will have to submit relevant certificates if selected. Relaxation may also be given whenever suitable candidates are not available in exceptional cases. Thank you very much for watching my video. Do like and subscribe my channel for more such opportunities. Thank you.